affront to the senses. That's just vile. This texture is divine. You're going to love how it feels. The best is yet to come, I assure you. This is going to be absolutely divine. I live for this part. This next step will make your eyes look huge. I'm so inspired. The base is looking perfect. Now for the fun stuff. I live for this part. The final spritz of setting spray, the moment of completion. Let's add that shimmer. Every step is getting us closer to the big reveal. Almost there. It's like unwrapping a present. I can't wait to see what's inside. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Okay, the skin is prepped and ready. I can already envision the final look. You have no idea how good this is about to look. I've been looking forward to this appointment all day. I can already envision the final look. I'm so ready to see this all come together. Okay, deep breath. This is going to exceed your expectations. I know it. It's the cutest thing I've ever seen. It's perfect. It's like they're HD. The structure of your face is just a gift. Open your eyes. It's so soft and romantic. You look like you just stepped out of a magazine. It's perfect. I'm so happy right now. This is artistry coming to life. Just perfect. Yes! I'm just floored. That shimmer is catching the light in the most delightful way. I'm just, wow! Amazing! It's art! Hold on, let me just take this in. Look at the camera for me. Yep, absolutely captivating. It's a dream to work on. Your face just lit up. Your eyes are incredible. Your eyes are incredible. It's still you, just amplified. Look at how it brightens your entire face. You look absolutely radiant. This is what I call makeup joy. Your eyes are incredible. A truly delightful outcome. That little freckle right there? I am just so wonderfully surprised by this. It's art. I can already tell this is going to be a masterpiece. I'm so inspired. This is going to be worth the wait. Let's make some magic. I live for this part. This is where we turn up the volume. I can already envision the final look. This is where we turn up the volume. I'm so inspired. This is going to be epic. The creative juices are flowing now. I'm just itching to get to the finishing touches. This is the part where it all clicks into place. We are about to create some serious magic here. This look is simmering, about to come to a full boil. Get ready. The build-up is everything. This palette was practically screaming your name. I'm just so eager to blend this all out and see the result. Oh, this is going to be good. That shimmer is catching the light in the most delightful way. It's beautiful. You have the perfect Cupid's bow. The way the light catches your cheekbones is just stunning. You are the definition of radiant. Look at the camera for me. Yep, absolutely captivating. It's a dream to work on. This is one of my favorite looks I've ever done. What a transformation! I love it! You look like you just stepped out of a magazine. You have amazing skin to begin with, but this is just otherworldly. You look absolutely radiant. This is the kind of result that makes my entire week. Will you Look at that! It's so much more than just makeup, it's a mood. It's a happy surprise. Look at the camera for me. Yep, absolutely captivating. You have amazing skin to begin with, but this is just otherworldly. That shimmer is catching the light in the most delightful way. You have the most beautiful canvas to work on. It's moments like these that feel like discovering treasure.